anything we say in future.
Week 3.
I don't know.
Yeah, so I'm just going to continue just taking off all of this, which is coming off a treat really. Yeah, I'm still umming and ahhing what colour to do it yet, but okay, so a few items turn up today. I believe this is either a slam panel or a bumper, a wishbone. Let me just put you down a sec. We'll have a look, shall we? It's alright, just a G clamp. I thought it might be the slam panel because I ordered the slam panel before I ordered this. I ordered this like 2 days later. Turns up straight away. I'm going to go down to... It is the slam panel. There's me thinking it's the bumper. Well, it's not. No, it is the slam panel. That's right then. So there's me thinking something is not. That's right. So yeah, this is couldn't find an orange slam panel, but that's all right because this goes under the bonnet and you don't see it. And I shall just spray this black anyway. I need to give it a good old clean up, spray it black. There's a little bit of damage on this one, but the sender did show me that. Well, I was like, yeah, no, that's fine, mate, no problem. No worries there. You didn't want a lot of money for it anyway, so. And if I was to get it new, it would have cost me a whole heap of money, so no, I'm quite happy. Happy with this. It's all good. Yeah. Alright, we're nearly there, kids. Nearly got it all unwrapped there. So yeah, I am still waiting for the bumper to arrive. So yeah, it's got a slam panel and it sort of like connects all your lights. And sort of like clips the bumper into place as well. On this particular one, it's all broken over here, so this bit is like non-existent. So I thought I could repair it. It was like the hassle it is to repair it. I might as well just get the second-hand one, clean it, spray it up. Job's good. So there we go. Nearly unwrapped. He's done a good job. I'm worn out. Whew, maybe sweat. So there we go. One slam panel. As you can see, the lights go in here and here. So that's that. Sorted. Also, these are second hand. These are like 40 quid new, these things. But there was a pack on there. eBay for 20 quid for the pair. These go in the bumper and they just ping out like that. And they got 2 water jets on the front there, and he just sprays water over the lights just to keep them clean. Bit of a gimmick, I think, but hell, if they're on there, I want it working. So that's a pair of those. Here. Oh. Here's my wishbone. This is probably the next item to go on. Alright, so there's my wishbone, brand new, so it's got a decent bush and that in it. That was £75, that one. So yeah, pretty expensive, but obviously in a lot better condition than the one I took off. So that's that. And then we have our headlights, which has got loads and loads of spin on it again. Ooh. Man, I've got loads of bubble wrap. I might make myself a suit out of bubble wrap. All these diseases going around might be beneficial. So this is second hand, but I got a bargain on this one. This was only £25. So yeah, one headlight. I shall just pop that one in there. Lovely. Perfect, huh? So that's all we get. So yeah. So I'll loosen the trap rod end off. I'm just gonna hit it there with a hammer, and it should pop out then. There we go.
Let's get lost in the heat of the city. Drop your morning whiskey, put your leather jacket on and say, radio's dead, TV is shit, get it off your knees and play. Radio's dead, TV is shit, come on, just give it away. All your life you wanted something more. Let's get drunk to the sound of rock and roll.
that's the new one situated. I've got to take it off. There's a little bit of damage here where it connects into the wing, so I've got to fix that. Then I've got to clean it, and then I'm going to spray it satin black. Like I say, you're not really going to see it, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one, and we'll unwrap the bumper and see how that goes, and start putting it back together. Still haven't got a wing yet. Still waiting for that part. No worries, one will turn up. I was going to get one from local scrapyard, but with this corona and everything going on at the moment, I'm not going to go there. I'm just going to wait. I've got enough to do in the meantime anyway. Wait for the wrap to turn up. The first lot was cancelled, so just waiting for another lot of that to turn up. And yeah, that's it, my beauty. Right, cheers and gone.
Near here is where Shipton took his remarkable photograph. The image that started the West's obsession with the Yeti.